Hospitalizations now surpassing 900. In fact, another 1,700 new COVID-19 cases were confirmed today. The total now more than 137,000. In fact, 137,617. Active cases up by 1 to 16,577. There you see the number of hospitalized up 6 from yesterday, now surpassing 900 to 901 people in the hospital. 30 more deaths statewide, 2,275 the total there. And about 119,000 people have recovered from this. Meanwhile, the state's positivity rate continues to rise. You see the average was below 10% there in September and in October, but over the last couple of weeks, it has now gone up above 10% to around 13% or so for the last couple of weeks.